All right. First things first. Seriously, though. Do you see the very top? What does it say, guys? Ads Manager. What does this say? Enable to have Ads Manager automatically schedule video ads on your channel. If this is ticked on, you are allowing Twitch to do that. No matter what these settings down here are. It doesn't once you have this on, this, do you see fully disable? Do you see? All right. Tick that shit off if you personally want to run your own ads. And then guess what? You really have Twitch. You can't blame Twitch. They give you the setting to say yes or no. Blame Twitch all you want, but take some accountability. So Ads Manager, if you do not want Twitch to control your ads and the scheduling of how you want to set up your ads, please have that disabled. It's the one right here at the top. Disable it. Okay? Disable it. You will not have to worry about any of this after you set it. I have mine set to potential ad revenue increase. You can't go any higher than 30% unless you have this on. Then you can get 55%. But I don't want Twitch to have control over that. So 30% is the highest you can get when you schedule them yourself. I'm fine with that because I would much rather have 30% ad revenue than pissing people off with this shit. Because sometimes Twitch will run like an 8-minute fucking ad, 5-minute fucking ads. And I don't want that shit. I don't want this shit at all. You know, especially when you're not making a whole lot on the platform. Because a lot of y'all are either just starting or haven't built enough community yet. So keep it low. Some of you guys will do really low. However, I have mine, and mine are set manually. So hello, there we go. So don't put it on automatic either. Again, Twitch is going to control that. I have mine set to 1 minute for every 12 minutes. I feel as though that is so much less invasive when you're trying to have a conversation with a viewer and you have to wait 3 minutes to get back on topic. I'm sorry, when you're streaming, 3 minutes in a conversation, it becomes stale. That conversation is now stale, and it's kind of hard to get back on topic with it. Let's see, if the ads are an hour, I'll still be here for you. Well, thank you, Oreo. I will never make them an hour. I make them as low as I can, which is 1 minute every 12. Now, if you look here, it says run 3-minute ads of mid-roll ads per hour during your stream to fully disable. I'm not gonna run 3 minutes of ads. Sorry, again. So, there are pre-rolls. But the pre-rolls, I'm pretty sure, and I could be wrong, I'm pretty sure the pre-roll ads, these are kind of like, since I have it disabled down here, it's not for everyone. Now you can go into here, you can delay your ads, you can snooze ads. I have the snooze on. So if chat is fucking popping, that means that it's going to snooze the ad during moments of engagement. So if you guys are constantly chatting in chat, chances are it's going to delay that ad. So I would recommend, you don't have to, I would recommend turning that setting on. Also, this is another thing that a lot of people are forgetting about, is allow subscribers to watch your content on your channel ad-free. That is actually a setting. That is actually a setting. You can, if I turn that off, it doesn't matter if you are a subscriber. You are now getting ads. I have mine on. And then notifications. I don't have notifications that pop up. My chat is far too valuable of space to have anything extra going on up in there. An ad's gonna come when an ad's gonna come. You don't need to brace yourself for it. It's not a fucking storm. You ain't gotta hold your breath. Alright? You'll be fine. Alright, so now that we went over the advanced settings, pre-rolls. You can keep the pre-rolls on. I have mine disabled, and I'm going to read it to you. Disable pre-roll ads by running mid-roll ad breaks. Every 30 seconds of mid-roll ads grants your channel 10 minutes of no pre-roll ads. Well, the fact that my mid-roll ads, these are mid-roll ads, just so you know, these are that's what this is. These are my mid-rolls. Okay. I don't have it at 3 minutes. I'm not doing 3 minutes. Again. So I do have it disabled. But it still is enabled if you look. You can stack up to 3 minutes of mid-roll ads to disable pre-rolls for an hour, keeping your stream pre-roll ad-free. Pre-roll ad notifications. Again, I don't need to be notified when a fucking ad is coming, because it's not going to stop me from doing anything, because 9 times out of 10, I'm ADHD. If I stop talking about the topic that I'm talking about, chances are I ain't going back. I play games that I can't pause. So, notifications ain't gonna do me any good. And then enable to run stream display ads on your channel. These, I believe, are the ones that pop up down below, that like push your channel up, I believe. We're gonna look. Yeah. That's what these are. They're the display ads, the ones that pop up below. Which, those aren't invasive, in my opinion, at all. Okay? So, again, I just leave it on. Whatever. So, do we understand now how ads work? And that this is the reason why why Twitch is taking over your fucking ads. You are giving them permission by having this little ticker enabled. Just disable it, and you'll be fine. Alright?